For my exam mini video 1, I'm going to be doing a pedigree based on the show Grey's Anatomy. Here we have my pedigree with all of the members of Meredith Grey's family labeled. So below we can see that X-linked dominant and autosomal dominant are both inheritance modes that could be possible in order for all of these people to inherit the trait of the ability to be a surgeon. So we can see down below, everyone is labeled on these two. These are the third generation, these two are the second generation, and these two are the first generation. And the fact that all of their genotypes can be found through these shows that these two are in fact possible. So next we are going to be disproving X-linked recessive, autosomal recessive, and Y-linked. So first, the easiest one to disprove would be Y-linked. So Y-linked can be easily disproved because only males would be able to inherit the trait on the Y chromosome. And since there are 3 females who have the trait of the ability to be a surgeon, Y-linked is therefore disproved. Next, we are going to be doing X-linked recessive. For X-linked recessive, we are going to start with Ellis Grey. 1-1, she would have to be both recessive, and Thatcher, her husband, who she had Meredith Grey with, would have to be dominant. Therefore, we can see that the only daughters they could make would have to be dominant and not show the trait to be a surgeon, but since Meredith Grey does show the trait, X-linked recessive is no longer possible. Then we are going to disprove autosomal recessive. That means that starting with Ellis Grey, she would have to be recessive, and we are going to say that Thatcher has 1 recessive. Therefore, we can see that it is possible for them to have Meredith Grey show the trait. So if Meredith Grey is recessive, her husband Derek would also have to be recessive, therefore leading to all of their children also being recessive. And since Bailey Shepherd does not show the ability to be a surgeon, which is our recessive trait, this is no longer possible. Therefore, we have proved that X-linked and autosomal dominant are both possible, while the rest are impossible to inherit the trait of the ability to be a surgeon on Grey's Anatomy.